Diwata Paris Overload.
Well, I've heard about Diwata. I'm curious to try. Saan ba yung lugar na yun?
The main one is like in Pasay. It's near World Trade Center.
Ako naman
Yeah.
something na...
But sa QC meron din.
Yeah. Pag trending, syempre gusto kong tikman.
Yeah.
Yun lang.
Yeah. How about SB19?
Idol. Actually, kumbaga sa K-pop, para sila yung Big Bang. Kasi Big Bang is the king of K-pop. If not for Big Bang, I don't think K-pop will be what it is now because of G-Dragon. So, that is something that I recognize na ginawa naman ng SB19 para sa...
Vice ganda.
Vice ganda is... he's a friend. She is a friend. Not close, but I appreciate naman yung respect and importansya na binibigay niya sa akin whenever nag-guest ako sa Showtime. And we actually share a similar... si Benny Saunders is really a wonderful fangirl. Dalawa lang yung idol niya sa mundo. And I don't know why, pero si Vice ganda tsaka ako. So minsan, na niya kami ni Vice. So yung mga events na about Vice, na nandun din si Vice, may ginagawa siyang event about me. So that's why Vice is good acquaintance of mine kasi nagkakasabay kami. So even sa premiere ni Vice na mga Vice fans nandun, yung mga fans, may fans ako. Yeah, sinasabay ni Benny. So yun, kaya accommodating sa Vice, kaya I really appreciate because Vice is a way bigger star than me, but then open naman siya na i-accommodate yung mga sumusuporta sa akin.
Siya ina magdaya.
Child star?
Ano?
Diba child star siya dati? Why, what about siya ina?
Wala lang. Baka napapanood mo, hindi mo pa siya naka-work?
No.
Napanood ko siya sa, nag-fashion show kasi siya. Kasi di ba ikaw, yeah.
All I know is, wasn't she with John Boy?
Yeah, I think naging sila before. Yeah.
And
Hindi
sister
na-update.
niya si Bina, diba?
Ha?
Sister niya si Bina.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why. Well, she's cute, she's talented, and yung family nila, no doubt, magaling sila. Bina, kasabay ni Kuya.
So last question, Catherine Bernardo and Alden Richards.
I heard that there's a pairing going on.
Yeah, because of Hello Love Goodbye, then there's like a sequel, and because wala ng Katniel.
Yeah, di ko pa sila nakita on camera talaga. Nakita ko lang sa internet. So I don't know yet the synergy, pero I think they look great together because Catherine is a very beautiful woman. Alden is a matinee idol. So syempre, physicality, they look great together. And I'm sure naman parehong premiadong artista din sila.
Yeah.
So they could really make it work. And if something goes on in person or in real life,
Thank you.